Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. I'm going to show you how to fix your little hood latch, this little prop rod right here, this little rod linkage that connects to your hood latch on a 2004 Toyota Tundra. This should be the same for all first-gen Tundras. A real simple thing to fix. I came to pop the hood and this little latch was just loose under the hood. So I knew something was wrong, something was broken. And sure enough, that's all it was. Just this little rod right here had come out. Upon closer inspection, this little plastic thing is cracked and broken. Looks like there's another one of the identical part right up there at the top, which is not broken yet. I would have bought two, but my dealer only had one in stock. And this is the part number. It's just this little black clip, 69759-0C010. That's just a quick and easy fix. I just thought I'd point that out, make a quick video here, and I'll show you how easy it is to change that. I'm just going to break off the old one like that. See, the old one is just, this part right here is broken. And there's our new clip. Now they do sell some universal clips that are similar to this, that they slide in and then clip, but I couldn't find one this size, so I just figured whatever, we'll just buy the dealer version. And let's see, I should be able just to snap it in like so, and then just push the rod through and turn it, rotate that until it clips onto the rod, and you're done. You might want to spray that with some lithium grease just to keep that working smooth, but it looks like it'll be fine. Again, I would have replaced this one too. They only had one in stock. So I hope you liked the video. I'll put the part number in the description. I couldn't find a link to Amazon, but there's a few online dealers if you can't find one local. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.